Okay guys, look at this awesome cool thing I found at the store. Jabberin Jack. Let's take him inside and try him out. Okay, so we're home now. This looks pretty cool. Jabberin Jack. 70 minutes of custom animations. Built-in speaker. Short throw projector. Talking, singing, and joking. Let's open up the box. Let's see what's in there. Okay. Here's Jack. That's his stem. Instructions. USB. Alright, let's plug him in, see what he does. So it comes with the USB cord, but it does not come with a power adapter. So any power adapter will do. And you just plug that in there. So now he's plugged in. There's 3 buttons at the top. 2 are to adjust the volume. The middle one is to skip the song to the next one. The speaker's on top. You want it facing outwards, the flat side. See how it's round in the back, kind of flat in the front. So that's where your images are going to appear. It has a switch on back to turn it on. And once you turn it on,
silent face mode.
You and your scary movies. What will you do when a real monster comes for you tonight? Flip the channel? Ha! May I now present my spooktacular song?
I know a thing about possession. I think I'd like you to be mine. How'd you like to be a pumpkin? I'll pluck you from the vine. You can run, but a witch always has a way.
so this cool little pumpkin is made by Mindscope. It's pretty awesome. According to the box, it says that it has over 70 minutes of custom animations. Spooky, funny, and traditional animated pumpkin faces. I got it for $49.99 at Walmart. They were going fast. I think I might keep him playing all year long. Enjoy!